This week we are exploring two important topics, measurement and questionnaire design. Measurement is at the heart of quantitative research. While in natural sciences, measurement has been something that was quickly refined by commonly agreed, practitioner-accepted systems. In the social sciences, and especially in research, it still presents challenges. Marketing researchers have to be very clear about what they need to measure. Sometimes that can be a complex concept or construct. For example, a researcher may want to measure the effect of a social media campaign on repurchase behavior. If one simply asks, to what degree did our X campaign motivate you to buy again product Y, then one leaves up to the respondent to assess the degree of experiencing campaign X and recall that experience, and trying to assess how that experience, totally unaffected by anything else, might have provided motivation for repurchase. This is why measurement has to be very specific, accurate, and precise. Variables have to be defined in ways that leave no space for alternative interpretations. So in the case of rather complex concepts, the researcher might have to not only use multiple variables to measure a concept or construct, but also operationalize the variable in a way that makes accurate measurements possible. In the example above, defining repurchase as at least 2 repurchases within a week of provides a very clear definition that most respondents will be able to assess properly and answer validly and reliably. These considerations about measurement lead us to the second topic of the week, questionnaire design. Beyond the structure of the question themselves, their sequence, page density, grouping, and even aesthetic appeal all affect the objectivity of responses, sometimes even the willingness of a participant to provide a response. For example, asking the question, to what degree do you think women can be equally good as men in the role of a fighter pilot? And then immediately after, ask the question, are you a man or a woman? Will for sure bias the responses of some participants, whether male or female, because it places a participant in their own gender while distracting from the original question. Think of this as being asked how much you like cheeseburgers when you line up to buy one, craving it, versus when you just finish eating one and your body manages the assimilation process. Therefore, this week's readings need to be studied slowly and carefully because they deal with some of the most challenging issues in marketing and research, issues that can render a research project very valuable or a big waste of resources.